The camera, I just turned it on.
I keep hearing that noise that goes doo-doo-doo-doo. Like a fucking ringtone.
Fucking idiot hit our car. Look at how the door opens. And my phone wasn't here the whole time, so it
Mom,
wasn't my
have I
phone.
touched my hair? Have I messed with my hair the whole entire time I was in there?
That's not what I'm saying.